Well, I look like an egg right now, so that's great. So I got a car mount so that I could actually vlog while in the car, because oftentimes I don't really like to go inside and like talk into the camera, because I feel like it's kind of weird, especially in my area. Like, maybe you can get away with that in like LA and New York, but I don't think you get away with that most other places without people thinking that you are genuinely strange. Don't get me wrong, I am genuinely strange, but I just don't like everybody to know it. So I'm just leaving Walmart. I got some groceries. We have a lot of things to do today. I wonder if this is like really going to be shaking all over the place whenever I'm driving, because it's supposed to be very secure, but kind of feel like it's not. So hopefully you're actually seeing this footage instead of me just scrapping it. But we have a lot of things to do today / tomorrow. Hopefully we get to all of it, but I'm going to go home right now, unload the groceries, and make some coffee and some cereal or something. George's mom fell yesterday, so she is in the hospital. She had to do like knee surgery and fractured her arm and all this and that, so he's probably going to go to see her whenever I get back. And then at some point over today / tomorrow, I need to film videos for both my channel and Millennial Living. I need to wow, I had a whole list. I need to go to the bookstore to try to see if there's any like baby books. And I need to go to the store to try and find a wireless bra. I'll probably go to Lane Bryant for that, because they actually have one, whereas Torrid, like, they're all like bralettes. I need like support, but I need there to be no wires, because you guys, like, I love wireless bras. I really don't wear, or no, wait, back that up. I love wired bras. I really don't wear wireless bras unless I'm just lounging around at home. But the past 2 weeks, it has been unfreaking bearable to wear them during the day. Like, it's I don't get it. They're just like so uncomfortable now. And the thing is that the girls have not changed at all throughout this whole pregnancy, which is very disappointing. I really had like the whole Jessica Simpson massive boob fantasy going on. I just wanted them to look like that. And they don't. So I don't know. I think maybe it's because like, you know, now that my like belly is like shifting and stuff, the underwire like cuts into my belly, whereas before it didn't, you know. And so now it's hella uncomfortable. I need to get something wireless, but that also has support, so hopefully I find that. And we want to go to Cabela's. We have a gift card. We need to use that. We need to go to the gym at some point. And I need to meal prep. Everything. So there's that. And go ahead. Make the slowest turn ever. It is Sunday morning, and I woke up late. Normally, I go to Walmart at like 6 a.m. I left the house at 8 today, and the nuts are already out. The whole bag of mixed nuts, all of them. So I just want to get back home and not deal with these people anymore. So that's what's going on. Tomorrow, tomorrow I have my 1 hour glucose test. So we'll see how that goes. I'm expecting to fail it and hopefully pass the 3 hour one, but it would be awesome if I just pass it on the first try. My skin looks like absolute crap. Every time that I think it's starting to get a little bit better, it like reflares back up. And I think that this time it was my fault, because I had bought this Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Moisturizer from Sam's, like a 2-pack of it, because I wanted to love it. And I wanted an anti-aging thing that I could use while pregnant. And the first time I used it, I broke out a little bit, and I was like, maybe it's just the pregnancy hormones. So I waited like 2 weeks, used it again the other day, last week. Immediately, blemishes popped up overnight, and I was like, oh God, I can't use this anymore. I can't, and it sucks. I will probably try to use it just like maybe on my neck and like hands and stuff like that, so it doesn't go to waste, but that's a bummer. Because I think my skin was getting a little bit better before I used it again, and I'm ticked at myself for doing that. So that's that. I'm gonna finish driving home and eat because I'm freaking starving. I was nauseous all through Walmart because I haven't eaten since like yesterday afternoon, and it was hotter than balls in there. Like, it is still summer. It's still summer. Why do we have the heat on right now? I can't. Man, the cardinal is here, and we don't have any feed for him because the squirrels knocked over the thing. Speaking of, there's one of the culprits. We give them everything. Everything. And they still make a mess. But they're so cute. Just can't help it. Also, we had the little coon baby here last night. Well, it's not a baby. It's big. It's a big guy. But, just like to call him that because it's cute. He was sitting here just like literally laid out on the deck on his belly, just like shoveling corn in his mouth. That was adorable. Oh, here comes Lydia. Do you see him? Do you see him? She never sees them. Uh-oh. Here comes the enforcer. Fogel, you didn't scare him off entirely. He's still there. It is 3 o'clock right now. I filmed, which is why I look like this, but God, my skin looks terrible. Terrible. This child had better be perfect because my skin is not. Just kidding. Don't take that serious, people of the internet. So I filmed just one video because I just wasn't really feeling doing a whole lot today. And I've been sitting here editing it, trying to pick a background right now. This is kind of how I do it. Hopefully you can see that on there. So I just pop a couple in. I wanted to do like a little nursery background this time, so I just kind of put one in, see how I like it, try another one. I think I'm going to go with this one just because it looks kind of like lighter and brighter, but that's typically how I just do it. Just kind of test out what I like. Hubs is at the hospital. He's coming home soon. And he's like, do you want to watch the first It movie? And I was like, yes. And then he's like, do you want to have Indian for dinner? And I was like, yes. So that's really exciting. Love me some Indian food. My arm's getting tired, but so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna watch that and have some Indian food for dinner. And I probably am not gonna get done anything that I had hoped to get done today other than the filming. But I can take care of going to the stores tomorrow, I suppose. I mean, I guess I have to, right? Now that I'm procrastinating. It's also been raining off and on today, like all day long, and I hate going out in the rain, so kind of looking forward to just like vegging out. So that's what we're gonna do for the rest of the night. What was that? That was weird. Ignore that. So he just brought in our dinner, and we have two big things. What happened here, babe?
Don't know what to say. I was like shocked. Like they seem to like make everything.
I mean, is it all ours?
I hope not. But it looked like they put everything in like small little boxes unnecessarily.
There's so much.
Let's watch the movie though.
Mm-hmm. Pogo, stop. Who's here? Fogo. Come on, baby. Look at him. Oh, there she goes. Uh-oh, look at him. He's fat.
Lydia, no, it's okay. It's okay, Lydia. It's okay. Okay. Lydia.
So day 2, it's Monday. What time is it? Like maybe around noon or so. I just got done with the glucose test, 1 hour thing. Then we went to Costco, and now I'm gonna go to Lane Bryant and get that done. I'm not gonna make it to the bookstore this week. The rain really makes me not want to have to like go out and do things, so it's raining again, so that will wait until next week. It's not like it's a big priority or anything, but yes, as a matter of fact, I am wearing the same shirt as yesterday because I only wore it for 1 hour, and that was a complete waste of a clean shirt, so here I am wearing it again. I need to try and find a wire-free bra or two today, and then I need to go home, make lunch, and then meal prep, finalize editing so that I have a couple videos for this week, and then shower and relax and go to bed to start the next work week. Could this light be any longer? Alrighty, so here's my little haul. I got 4. All of them are wire-free from Cacique. This is the Uplift Plunge. I just got one in this style, just a little bit lower. And then the rest are all the lightly lined t-shirts. Just got a couple black and then a couple like patterns. They really didn't have a big selection. This was literally all they had. They had these 2 patterns, and then they had like, you know, a beige color one and then the black. And of course I'm not going to do beige because that just hurts my soul. But this is what we got, and they do feel really comfortable. So hopefully this week they are really good in the truck because the underwire ones have just been hurting so bad. This is what it looks like. It has kind of like a little channel, but it's very thick, just like padding. And surprisingly, it's very supportive for not having any wires. So hopefully it works out good. So meal prepping for the week now. I put this, it's supposed to be made in the oven, but I mean, screw that. I put 1 packet of this on the chicken with some olive oil and just kind of tossed it, threw it in the bottom of the slow cooker, and then I put another packet all over a package of green beans and a package of baby carrots. Toss that. I'm going to just like put that all in. Little friend is here. Toss these in. And just leave it like that. I'm gonna close this up, let it cook for like, I don't know, maybe like 5 hours or so. That should be good enough. And then I'm gonna put it in little containers with some mashed potatoes on the bottom, and that'll be that. Shh. Fogo, shh. Got a new friend here. Looks like a little one. He's not even looking at it. He's looking at something else. Alright everybody, so I forgot to close out the vlog last week, so it is now next Monday. And you guys are seeing this tomorrow as of the time that I'm filming this. But we just finished up our 20-week scan. What did you think?
It was very fascinating, the 3D, because it was kind of detailed.
Yeah, it was detailed, but also he had his hand like this the whole time. Every time she tried to take a picture of him in 3D, which was like, really? That's what you're gonna do? But it was really cute, and there was one point where she was, you know, like talking about like, oh, here's his face and stuff, and then like he's this way, and then he just turned like this and stared at us, and it was a little creepy. But it was also cute, and he was having hiccups too, which was cute. Mm-hmm. So
that was the best part, watching him with the hiccups. 'Cause,
exactly.
She actually kept it there for a very long time, and we got to watch that.
Exactly.
And it was amazing.
Yeah. So that was a really good appointment. I worried about it the entire month, and now I feel like I can stop worrying about it so much. But also, just as an update, I did do my glucose test, and I passed it on the first time, which is shocking because I was convinced that I wasn't going to pass, so I didn't bother eating anything healthy for breakfast. I ate, leftover Indian food, which you guys saw, and I still passed. So, yay me, yay us. So, that's it for this vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and we're just really excited. So, that's it. Bye, guys. You gonna say bye?